Hello, my very dear few followers. This time I have dismantled Kyosho GX12 motor that was in the Vauxhall Astra by Kyosho that you've seen previously. And the engine was partially cleaned with the ultrasonic system, but I had to dismantle it completely in order to replace bearings. I found new internal ones, and you can see how good was the old one. I needed to put the engine dismantled at the maximum in my oven at about 250 degrees Celsius during 15 minutes. Then a little shock pushed it away. So I inspected every part and polished every single bit of it. I use this cream HP34 with sandpapers rated at 400, 600, 800, 1000, and for some parts 1200. As you may notice, I have also disassembled the transmission. I have some new shoes, clutch shoes, yes. As you can see, the old one is a bit oiled. It would be a problem of the previous owner because it was completely overlaid, and it should result in loss of performances and loss of power. So now I will oil everything, replace with new parts gasket for the exhaust. As you may have noticed, I found a new assembly with a new cylinder, new piston, and new crankshaft, but it will be used later as the other original one wasn't so bad, so I'll keep it. This is the sponge, air filter sponge that was in the car air filter, so no way to keep it. I replace them immediately. I polished also the exhaust. I found a compatible exhaust for an MK2 Alpha PureTen, and I will receive a resonator manifold, as you like, call it as you like. And I will test that later. I will also receive the Chinese exhaust with its manifold pipe. I will test that later if there is really improvement or loss. Now it took me about 4 hours to clean every part at the best. Some people say I'm quite mad. I disassembled the carburetor. Yeah, I did. I found a lot of residues of resin, and also unburned kerosene that return from the exhaust that is used as a fuel pump. Okay, see you later.